In this video, you will learn how to request a career development workshop led by the CCPD team. Let's get started. The Center for Career and Professional Development is thrilled to partner with faculty, staff, and student organizations across campus to fit the career needs of our diverse student population. The workshops we offer are between 30 and 60 minutes long, and requests are scheduled on a first-come, first-served basis. When you are ready to request a workshop and have selected the form for your campus location, you will be asked to fill out information about the workshop audience, class or group title, anticipated attendance, and delivery modality. Next, you will be asked to include both a first and second choice of presentation dates. This allows staff to coordinate if there is limited availability on one of the requested times. Please remember these suggested timelines before making your session request. For standard workshop topics, submit your request at least 2 to 3 weeks before your first presentation date preference. For tailored workshop topics, please allow at least 4 weeks before your first presentation date preference. Most importantly, you need to choose your presentation topic. There are multiple presentation topics available, including major exploration or resume and CV writing. If you don't see your preferred topic on the list, you can select Other and write in the tailored presentation topic you need. After choosing your topic, please include your name, associated department, title, and USF email address for us to follow up with you. In the final field, please feel free to add any other information you feel would be helpful for the presentation. If you have already been in contact with a staff member about a given topic, you can request that staff member by name if you prefer, although requests may be dependent upon staff availability, resources, or other engagements. We will do our best to assist and offer alternative options if needed. After submitting your request form, a member of the CCPD team will reach out to you to confirm your presentation date and put you in contact with the assigned career coach. Your designated career coach will coordinate with you on any remaining details in preparation for the workshop. We look forward to partnering with you in offering quality career development opportunities for our students.